To help your Kubota RTV X Series utility vehicle operate at its maximum potential, regularly scheduled maintenance is crucial. Cleaning and/or replacing the air filter is easy to do. Precautions regarding personal protection should be followed as described in your operator's manual. Your local Kubota dealer will have the correct parts. Obviously, you'll need a new filter if you are replacing it to complete this task. Shop towels will also be helpful. To begin, there's a valve on the air cleaner housing called an evacuator valve. Open the evacuator valve once a week under ordinary conditions, or daily when used in a dusty place, to get rid of large particles of dust and dirt. Whether you're cleaning or replacing the filter, you will first need to remove it. To remove the filter, first open the hood. Then release the clips holding the cover on the air filter housing. Remove the air filter. When dry dust adheres to the element, blow compressed air from the inside, turning the element to clean it. Do not blow material onto yourself, and be sure to wear appropriate protective gear when cleaning the element. When carbon or oil adheres to the element, replace it. As a tip, the secondary safety element should remain in place. Inspect the inner element and replace it if it is damaged or contaminated. Now install the cleaned or new filter, the housing, and fasten the clips. The air filter should be cleaned every 100 hours and replaced every 1,000 hours or 1 year, whichever comes first. Be sure to consult the operator's manual for all of the maintenance intervals. Thanks for watching. Kubota. Together, we do more.